Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to type the superscript and subscript letters. Okay, so what I have here is a x cube plus b x square plus c x plus d equal to 0. Okay, this one how can I type it using a superscript? Okay, because we have a x power 3 and x power 2. Okay, so this is a then x. Okay, now you need to type in 3. Okay, so you can type in like this, then it will become x3, but we want x cube. Okay, for that what we have, superscript is here in the home, then the font section, you click on this. Okay, then you have superscript. Okay, so you need to click this one, then okay, then you type in the value, then it will become the superscript. Okay, so then you type it plus. Okay, now while you start typing it, it will have the superscript values. You can, because it changed it to superscript already, so whatever you type in, it will become the superscripts. Then you need to change it to normal font. Again you need to go there and take out this superscript and okay, then plus. Okay, b x bx. Now again you need to do it for 2 because x square, right? So go there, superscript. Okay, so next you click, it will become the superscript again. Okay, so what you need to do is that you need to click it to other cell and go back and okay, it stays on superscript. Okay, you want to change it back, you need to change it to the normal, either this normal or you can take out the checkbox here. Okay, now plus cx and 1 d and 0. Okay, this is one way you can start typing this way, or what you can do is you can just type in a x cube, just keep typing like this, b x square plus c x plus d equal to 0. Okay, now what you do, you go here, only highlight the superscript letter. Okay, then make it a superscript. Okay, again highlight the superscript value and make it superscript, whichever is easier for you. Okay, either you change and type it or do it this way. Okay, the clicking also may be every time you go here and changing it may be difficult for you, but what you can do is you can use the keystrokes. Okay, so I will show you this one, ax. Okay, this is subscript. Okay, so x3. Okay, now the same thing here, instead of superscript you need to go and do the subscript. Okay, then subscript. Okay, now you can see it becomes a subscript. Now you type in anything, it will be in the subscript, so you need to change back. Okay, go there and take, either put normal font or just uncheck this. Okay, then you plus b. Now I will show you how to use the keystroke. Okay, x b x. The same thing, what you can do is you activate that box by Ctrl Shift F. is the shortcut for Control Shift F. Okay, then the subscript shortcut is Alt B. You can see the B is underlined, so it's Alt B. So you must put Control Shift F, then Alt B. Okay, so it will be faster. Okay, let's do it. Control Shift F, Alt B. Okay, now enter. Now you put to 2. You can see that it will become subscript. Whatever you type in also will become a subscript. You must change it to normal letter. Again Control Shift F, then Alt B again to uncheck. Okay, this is check, uncheck, or you can put Alt N. Instead I will put Alt B again. Unchecked, then press OK, just enter, then plus C X, Control Shift F, Alt B, enter 1. Okay, now Control Shift F, Alt B, enter to become a normal, plus D equal to 0. Okay, now you know how to use this font, superscript and subscript. Okay, this way you need to use the equation. Superscript you can do it using the inserting the symbol also. It's also possible, but I am not teaching you that way, because you can see the symbol. Okay, in the symbol you have a square and cube. You don't have power 4 and all. For only for the square and cube you can use this one also to insert the symbol for the cube. But you want really you have a big equation you want to type in, then you must go for equations. Okay, my objective in this video is just to show you the superscript and subscript in the font section. Okay, how to use it, because many times while typing we need square, cube or powers and other things. Even for intention, even for you know that sometimes we put small in text letters up, you can do it that one also. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my video, and some subscription button is already appearing in the video itself, just click now and subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.